Here's how to change your name in Arknights step by step. First, open Arknights and make sure you're logged into your account. From the main lobby, tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This opens your player profile where your current doctor name is displayed. Next, look for the edit icon, usually a small pencil or rename option, next to your name. Tap it, and the game will prompt you to enter a new doctor name. Type the name that you want. Make sure it follows Arknight's naming rule, no special symbols, banned words, or excessive spacing. Important thing to know, changing your name is not free every time. Arknight requires a rename card, which you can usually buy from the in-game shop using Organium Prime or obtain during special events. If you don't have a rename card, this option will be locked. Once you confirm the new name and use the rename card, the change happens instantly and your new name will appear across friends list, missions, and events. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.